Welcome to LoopDeDoo. We're going to show you 6 different looping styles you can use to design your LoopDees. We'll begin with a threaded LoopDeDoo, which you can learn how to do in our quick start video. That video also shows you how to tie a loop knot, which you'll use whenever you stop looping or change colors. Let's start with the color block. Select the first color or looping thread you want to use and place the rest of your threads through the gear slot by the starter knot to keep them out of the way. Then simply turn the knob and guide the thread. At the end of the color block, tie a loop knot. Remove the next color from the gear slot and repeat these steps until you have your desired length. Then finish as usual. Now let's move on to the swirl. We suggest starting with 2 threads to make it easier, but you can use up to 4 colors with a thicker core. Separate your looping threads so they don't overlap while you loop. Hold them close together and guide while turning the knob. Moving on to the twist. Gather all your looping threads and twist them in the same direction that you are looping. Then guide them into position as you turn the knob. The loopy twist is similar to the last style, but first you wrap the whole LoopDee in one color, while the other threads go through the gear by your attachment loop. Remove your threads from the gear slot, twist them in the same direction that you are looping, and guide while turning the knob. Time to zigzag. This style looks good with 3 or 4 colored threads. Select one thread, then place the rest through the gear slot near the attachment loop. Guide the thread, spacing it randomly. When you get to the end, tie a loop knot and place any remainder through the gear slot. Flip the LoopDeDoo device around, select another thread, and repeat these steps until finished. Finally, the zigzag twist. This style works best with 4 or more threads. Start by selecting 2 or more threads, then place the rest through the gear slot by the attachment loop. Twist the threads in the same direction as you are going and space them randomly. When you get to the end, tie a loop knot and place any remaining thread through the gear slot. Then flip the LoopDeDoo device around and repeat until finished. And that's it! Experiment with different color combinations, thicknesses, and looping styles to make your own unique accessories. We can't wait to see what you create. We encourage you to share your designs and inspire others on our Facebook page.